Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best PiggyVest strategies for building wealth, and here's the breakdown. If you want to grow your money over time with PiggyVest, the smartest strategy is to save consistently and invest early. Start by setting up automatic savings, so a portion of your income goes into savings before you even see it. So this builds a habit and puts your money to work right away. Next is to use the safe lock for long time goals, so you lock away funds you won't touch and earn higher return than flexible savings. Pair that with PiggyVest Invest and Portfolio Plus to put money into diversified opportunities that aim for stronger growth than savings alone. Final review: and adjust your goal every month. Increase your contribution as your income grows, so your wealth compound faster over time. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more simple health building tips, and comment which PiggyVest strategy you would like to go with. And that's it.